Snow fell softly outside, the wind howled. Inside, a fire crackled in the fireplace. It was a perfect night to be cozy. Nora, a small brown and white dog, slept soundly on her bed. Her bed was soft and fluffy. It was right next to the fireplace. Nora's tail thumped softly against the rug. She was dreaming a wonderful dream. Nora loved to dream. Nora dreamt of a sunny meadow. Flowers bloomed everywhere in bright colours. Butterflies fluttered lazily in the warm breeze. Nora ran through the tall grass. Her little legs carried her faster and faster. She felt so free and happy. The sun warmed Nora's fur. The air smelled like honey and sunshine. Nora had never been so happy in her entire life. Ahead, Nora saw something amazing. It was a gate, but not just any gate. This gate shimmered and sparkled. It was made of pure gold. Nora's heart pounded with excitement. What was beyond the golden gate? She had to find out. Closer and closer she ran. The gate grew bigger and brighter. Nora barked with joy and leapt towards the gate. "Nora, wake up, sleepyhead." A gentle voice called her name. Nora opened her eyes. The golden gate was gone. She was back in her cozy bed by the warm fire. Her human smiled down at her. Nora wagged her tail. She felt happy and content. There was no place she'd rather be than home, especially on a cold winter's night.